All right, traders, and welcome back to another video here on the Learn to Trade channel. Today we're going to have a look at, basically we're going to have a look at cryptocurrencies. And, well, the reason we're going to have a look at cryptocurrencies, and the main three cryptocurrencies, because cryptos have been moving, right? They have been moving, and and the idea of this is to get in on that, to get in on those moves to profit from the market. So let's start with Ripple, XRP, Ripple US dollar. Right, so this move in Ripple was amazing, right? It broke with this very key level, the 50-cent level, and when it went completely crazy, rallying 48%, right? This is the 50-minute chart. If I show you a daily chart, almost to hit all-time highs, right? Almost to hit up all-time highs. But the thing about this is that this move was driven by a Telegram group with over 100,000 subscribers that after seeing the Wall Street bet effects, the Reddit effect, they wanted to do the same with Ripple because they are anti-government, and they hate what the SEC has been doing to Ripple with the lawsuit that they put in place, etc. So let's have a look at what's going on, right? And I'm looking at Ripple first because this is the least interesting market for me, because it's highly speculative. So this is only for educational purposes only. Do not turn this into financial advice. We are not advising you to buy or sell any coins or cryptocurrencies. Do your own due diligence, and this is just my analysis. So after going to the moon and breaking with that very important level and rallying for 49%, well, Ripple crashed. This was no other thing than a pump and dump. This is what a pump and dump looks like when a boiler room pumps an asset and they sell into that strength to make a huge profit. And that's right, there's a lot of people that got caught in FOMO buying at the highs, and that they are losing substantial amounts of money. Now, this is why Ripple is my least favorite of the three majors, right? And I don't know why I'm putting Ripple within the majors, but it's there. Now, technical basis or technical levels here should be the 36.28 level, or this low too, right? So this entire base right here should be considered as the key level that Ripple needs to hold in order to continue higher. Right here, right now we are trading at the, let's grab the crosshair tool, shall we? We are trading at the 36.23, but if we break with the 34 level, we are very much going down. And that is a level that it needs to hold. The next level to the downside should be the 27.53. So two scenarios here. And then let's use this cube actually right here. Either Ripple holds this level of support and rallies towards the 41.50 to 42 level, or it breaks with this level and retests and we are going down. In any case, be prepared for a move either to the upside or to the downside. But because of how things are looking and how strong this level is, I believe that the higher probability move is to the upside. But you need to wait for this pattern, or this pattern to break. And that's when price breaks with the 38.92 level. Now that is Ripple, nothing too interesting in my opinion. Let's call Bitcoin, BTC, USD. We could look at Bitcoin futures actually. It's the same chart, better chart actually. And Well, we got actually, let's use Bitcoin US dollar. It's a little better chart. Right. So we got into a buy position ourselves where we profit from the breakout of this level right here. We profit from this breakout, and we got stopped out of break even on the second half of our position because the first target was this, was the 35, the 35,426 or so. And right now we are continuing higher. Now let's have a look at the structure that this market is giving us. Right here, let's extend this right. And yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is trading in a very structured market. I'm doing this with you, actually. So this is the structure that Bitcoin is trading in, right? Very bullish structure. And if we want to look at this as in wave patterns, you can see that we have the 1, the 2, the 3, and I would wait for a retrace back to these previous highs, so we can buy into this strength. The thing about this is that we would be buying into a very overextended level. So if we grab those Fibonacci retracement levels from high to low, imagining that this is the actual high of the move, the level that I would want, hold on, let me just unthicken this. The level that I would want Bitcoin to move back into is this one right here. So basically I'm looking at a pullback towards this key level or inflection point in the market right here for my next buy. So that is the 34,460 level, or this inflection point in the market, right? Having said that, targets to the upside should be and would be, let's have a look, exactly to this previous base. If you notice, this is where price action or where sellers jumped into the market, and I will be targeting around the 3,700 level for my first targets. So I'm looking at this. All right, I will show you with the bars pattern, and what I'm looking at is a pullback like the one that we had right here. Hold on, this is not the one that I want. The first pullback that we had right here, this is what I'm looking at, and historic price action points at a possible pullback, to that zone, with a possible move to that 36,600 level, which would be my first target. And the reason that I'm looking at this possible scenario is because the risk to reward on this scenario, I'll show you. Basically, I would have a very nice risk to reward, whereas I want to 6.28 risk to reward on a possible buy at that level. So that is my level to buy into some weakness in Bitcoin. Anything other than that, I'm not interested, because like I said before, I think that this move is a little bit overextended and in need of a pullback. So I'm going to put on an alert, and I will be sending that signal. Oh, I need to change my, well, that's fine. I'll put on an alert later. I will be sending that that signal to our subscribers. So if you want to get in on that train, the link is below the video. Right? And last but not least, Ethereum, ETH USD. Ethereum US dollar. Now, very important level that Ethereum has broken with, and that's the 1500 level. Now, with Ethereum, we're going to go to the higher time frames just so we can see what actually is going on. Now, a lot of people got caught in the wrong side of this trade, trying to sell at the retest of the 1441 level, and again here, and they have been caught trying to sell a very strong market for once, and trying to sell, of course, a bullish breakout pattern. This is a bullish breakout pattern. This is a flat triangle, right? This is nothing but a bullish breakout pattern. So what are we going to do here? Now let's have a look at the daily chart, just to have a look at. I think we are above all-time highs. We are above all-time highs. Actually, all-time highs before that were around the 1422 level. So we are making all-time highs with Ethereum. So we want to get in on that train. All right. We do want to get in on that train. And what happened here? Well, I thought that we were looking. We were looking at the hourly, of course. So this is the level between all-time highs at the 1422 and the 1442 level, which was the top of that bullish triangle, of that bullish flat triangle. This was the missed opportunity for us to buy Ethereum, right? We missed that. It's fine. Don't you get FOMO'd into this market, because what we are going to do is we are going to wait for a pullback. And I think that we need a deep pullback to really retest this previous all-time high and this previous flat triangle top before going higher. And this is going to give us a better risk to reward for at least actual all-time highs, or the all-time highs that we are printing right now around the 1443 for a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward ratio. But as you remember, my preferred buy of all of three is in Bitcoin at the retest of this previous level. So that's it for me. Thank you for joining me. Heads up to that, if you are not in our VIP channel, then you will not be receiving this signal. But I mean, you have my rationale that you can always do it yourself. But if you want to receive the signal at the exact moment that we are going to be buying Bitcoin, well, there's a link below this video. It's only 50 pounds per month. That's only 2 cups of coffee from Starbucks, you know, for 30 days worth of signals. You can't beat that. And of course, it's up to you if you want to take it or not. And if you enjoyed the content that we put out, just follow the channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks.